Let's enjoy life! Come join us in the water!
This is real fun. It feels like we are in a movie. ¿Que la caiga?
This is Dr. Monkey reporting live, Tam. We're in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The waves are massive. Wait, what's that? This is Dr. Monkey live from the ultimate girl battle. Jamaica versus Spain. Who's gonna win? Who's stronger? Drop it in the comments now!
काची लस्सी और बादाम का शरबत।
What is your first wish now that you've just been born?
I want to drink French vanilla from Tim Hortons.
Why are you working here? You're just born.
I'm an international student, Lee. I can only work 24 hours.
Why are you working here? You were just born yesterday.
My parents are busy taking child benefits, so I have to look after myself.
Why are you sitting here? You were born in Canada?
I was supposed to be born in Pakistan. There is no bidet to clean poop in Canada.